Hi, I'm Lakshmi and I'm learning the Mudra course taught by Deepti Garu and Prakash Rao Garu. And I'm fortunate to have this opportunity taught by them. I was always trying to understand when to do mudras and when not to. What are the rules? What are the benefits? And the most intrinsic details around these mudras. This course has helped me to learn all this. Besides that, I learned Bandha Mudras, mudras to activate chakras, Pranayama Mudras, Gayatri Mudras, mudras to balance three doshas, and quite a few case studies, and mudras to regain health right from the seasonal fever caused by cold or cough to the heart misbeating or any problems related to heart. They will correct and teach with a lot of patience and interest if any participant does mudra incorrectly. In order to suggest any mudras, they teach us how to identify the root cause of any health problem instead of just generalizing and sharing a mudra. For example, if one have mild depression, then Gnana Mudra can be suggested. But if it's severe, then Vaya Mudra has to be suggested. This knowledge comes only through extensive research and passion to help humanity. I would highly recommend this course if you are someone who is keen to learn from the Mudra Guru in recent times. Thank you.